In today's real estate market, every agent has heard of a CRM, or Customer Relationship Manager, because it's effective. One study shows that CRMs yield an 800% return on investment. However, according to another study, 60% of real estate agents stop using their CRM system within 6 months, while 85% of agents quit within the first year. Why is that? We found that the 4 top reasons why agents stop using their CRMs within the first year are time. The initial setup and training demands more time than most agents have available. Money. The cost of setup and training is typically much more than anticipated. No direction. The lack of a roadmap makes it difficult to set up an effective system. Gave up. Agents often abandon their systems after not seeing immediate return on investment. Bottom line, CRMs are effective, but a lack of simplicity, direction, and resources causes users to give up before they can benefit from the desired results. What makes Shebang CRM different from everything else out there? Our simple setup and training processes. System setup typically takes an agent about 15 minutes to complete. Training takes less than 45 minutes. In under an hour, you will know everything necessary to start using Shebang that day. A complete plug-and-play system. Shebang was created to be a complete system the day you sign up. All drip emails, text messages, updates, breakdowns, dashboards, checklists, you name it. Everything has been already created and tailored specifically for you. The improved client experience. You simply update your client's funnel stage and the system takes care of the rest. From sending emails and text messages to educating them on the real estate process, to updates on the next steps for their property. We keep your clients fully engaged throughout the entire home buying or selling process through automation. The result? A world-class real estate experience to each and every one of your clients you serve. Affordability. To build Shebang from scratch would cost over $100,000. In addition, creating this system would take more than 300 hours of your time. Taking in time and hard costs, your Shebang systems would cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. The opportunity to grow your business. Agents using Shebang CRM have seen growth from 600% to 1,100% after only 1 year. Imagine what your business could look like with 600% growth in a year from now because you are using the most effective system in the marketplace. Bottom line, Shebang CRM offers real estate agents the most complete and most affordable turnkey system in the market that is easy to use in order to stay connected with their clients and grow their business. Seen enough and ready to implement the whole shebang in your business? We've made our sign-up process easy. Click the Get Started option from the homepage of the website to select your package. Need to see a little more? Request a demo now to see more of our award-winning system. If you're serious about achieving your real estate growth goals, don't delay. If you are ready to get organized and take your business to the next level, then it's time to get started today with Shebang CRM, the most advanced real estate CRM in the marketplace.